Hi, I'm Belle from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm whipping up a few delicious dishes, both sweet and savory, using my new Thermo-Clad ovenware. This ovenware is actually based off of our best-selling Thermo-Clad cookware collection, which is known for its amazing performance in the kitchen. Obviously, I like to use my Thermo-Clad ovenware for traditional baking, like this gorgeous plum buckle, but I also use it for a ton of savory dishes, like an entire sheet pan dinner. This ovenware is reliable, sturdy, and so versatile, we use it every day in the test kitchen. Okay, I got a lot of dishes to make, so let's get cooking. So first up, I made these delicious puff pastry straws. My favorite low maintenance appetizer because there are only 3 ingredients. If there's any kitchen duo I love, it's the Thermo-Clad baking sheet and baking rack. Today I'm just using the sheet to make these puff pastry straws and using the rack as a cooling rack, so it has dual function. I can also use the rack, which fits perfectly right in the sheet. If I were to make something that requires a little more circulation in the oven, I want that heat to get all around the food that I'm making, like a roast, a beef tenderloin, anything of that sort. For my main today, I'm doing a roast chicken in my Thermo-Clad 9x13. This is a total workhorse in my kitchen. I use it for brownies, lasagna, sheet cakes, even a roast. I like to put a bunch of vegetables at the bottom of my base. It actually adds elevation for the chicken, so hot air can go around the chicken and help get that skin nice and crispy. I'm just gonna generously drizzle some olive oil. This deep pan is ideal for this sort of cooking because the chicken's gonna get really nice and juicy and it's gonna collect all those delicious juices. The radiant heat from the sides of these pans will also do that in the oven. Perfect, now I'll season. I like to use nice big flake salt so you get really crispy, salty pieces of skin. And of course, some freshly ground black pepper. And off to the oven it goes to roast. These extra wide handles makes it really easy to grip onto. So when you're carrying something like a heavy roast chicken, you get a really nice grip. So now for my veg, I'm just going to roast some simple broccolini on my cookie sheet. I like to use this cookie sheet because it has a nice wide surface with a little lip. This pan also conducts heat really, really well, so the broccolini will get nice and crispy in the oven. I'm just gonna drizzle it with some olive oil, some salt, of course, and some freshly ground black pepper. If you like a little heat, like I do, I'm just gonna add a little pinch of some crushed red pepper. Just a little bit. A little goes a long way here. This nice lipped edge will make sure that all this oil stays inside the pan and won't drip in your oven. Another thing I love about this entire collection is that they're warp resistant and you can put them in a really hot oven and you don't have to worry about them getting misshapen or burning or anything like that. They're super durable. Now that my broccolini is all tossed, I just want to make sure I'm spreading it in a nice even layer as to not overcrowd the pan. And that's it. I'm just going to pop it in the oven while my chicken finishes cooking. My chicken is done and you can see how beautiful the skin is, nice and crispy, and my aromatics got nice and browned as well. And just to top off my broccolini, I'm just going to squeeze with a little bit of fresh lemon. And there you have it, dinner and dessert cooked and baked to perfection thanks to my Thermo-Clad ovenware. To learn more about this collection and to get these amazing recipes, head to williamssonoma.com. Happy cooking!